Okay, we're going to look at practice test number 10. And on number 10, it says Ronald has a spinner. Get this all up and ready. Okay, it says Ronald has a spinner with 12 equal sections as shown below. And Ronald will spin this arrow on the spinner 60 times. Based on theoretical probability, what is the total number of times he should expect the arrow to land on an even number? Okay, so we're looking for even numbers. I'm going to go up here on my spinner and circle all of my even numbers. Okay, anything that can be divided by 2, and that gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 out of, now I know from the question it says 12 equal sections, so it's 5 out of 12. Now if it didn't say that, all you'd have to do is count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And sure enough, it's 5 out of 12. Now, it says that Ronald is going to spin the arrow 60 times. So you would say 5 out of 12, which is the probability of hitting it in one spin, times 60, because that's how many spins you're going to have. And you would have 5 times 60 over 12. 5 times 60 is 5 times 6 is 30. And then you add your other 0 on there. You want to divide that by 12. So let's go ahead and do this long division because we haven't got to practice long division very much. So I'm going to put my 12 right here and divide my 300 by it. Now I know that 12 goes into 30 2 times because 3 times would be 36. That's too much. So 12 goes into 30 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. I'm going to subtract, so I'm going to have to borrow there, borrow there. Okay, so 10 minus 4 is 6. 2 minus 2 is 0. Bring down your 0. So 12 goes into 65 times. 5 times 2 is 10. And 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. And 60 minus 60 is 0. So your answer is 25 with no remainder, and that would be C.